Once, in a quiet little village between soft green hills, there lived a boy named Ali. Ali was young, full of energy, and very curious. He loved to walk and look at the world around him. Almost every day, he went to the fields or wandered through the forest. He looked at the trees, flowers, birds, and animals with wonder. Everything in nature felt magical to him. Ali's family loved God very much. Ali's parents taught him to pray and to always thank God for every blessing, big or small. Every evening, before dinner, the whole family sat together. They joined their hands, bowed their heads, and thanked God for the food, the home they lived in, and the love they shared. One sunny afternoon, Ali was playing near the village well. He liked the sound of the water and the cool air around it. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice calling his name, Ali. He stopped and looked around. No one was there. He thought maybe he was imagining it. But then he heard the voice again, soft but clear. Ali, do not be afraid. I am the messenger of God. Ali's heart began to beat fast. He felt both excited and a little scared. His parents had told him stories about angels visiting people in ancient times. He never thought something like that could happen to him. The voice continued, calm and warm. Ali, I have a special task for you. You must go on a journey to find the tree of faith. This tree grows deep inside the forest. Its leaves are very special. They can grant a wish to anyone who truly believes and has a pure heart. Ali stood quietly for a moment. He felt nervous. The forest was big and full of unknown places. But he also felt trust in God. If this was God's plan, then he would follow it. So, with a deep breath, Ali decided to go. He packed a small bag and started walking toward the forest. The only guide he had was the soft whisper of the wind, which seemed to lead the way. The journey was not easy. Ali had to cross rivers where the water rushed fast and cold. He had to climb steep hills where each step felt heavy. In some places, the trees were so thick that no sunlight came through. His legs grew tired, and sometimes fear touched his heart. But every time he felt weak or scared, Ali stopped to pray. Dear God, he whispered, please give me strength. Please guide my steps. And each time he prayed, he felt a little stronger inside. After many days, Ali reached the very center of the forest. There, he finally saw it, the tree of faith. It was taller than any tree he had ever seen. Its branches reached high toward the sky. The leaves glowed softly in the sunlight, almost as if they were made of light. Ali walked toward the tree slowly. His hands were trembling. With great care, He picked one shining leaf and held it close to his heart. Then he closed his eyes and prayed, "O tree of faith, please give me courage to face my fears and wisdom to do what is right." At that moment, a warm light surrounded him. It felt like love, safety, and peace all together. Ali knew in his heart that his prayer had been heard. When Ali returned to the village, everyone noticed something different about him. His eyes seemed brighter, and his smile was calm and sure. He told his family and friends about his journey, about the rivers and hills, and about the tree of faith. He told them about the leaf, the prayer, and the warm light that filled him. The villagers were amazed. They listened to every word. Ali's story filled their hearts with hope. People began to believe more strongly in God's power and in the miracles that could happen when you truly trust Him. From that day, the village became known as a place of strong faith. People prayed more often. They helped each other. They shared what they had. And in times of trouble, they remembered Ali's journey and felt courage in their hearts. Many years passed. Ali grew up. He became a wise elder in the village. People came to him for advice and comfort. He always reminded them of the same truth he had learned as a boy. Faith is not only believing in what you cannot see. Faith is trusting God's plan even when you do not know where the road will take you. When you keep faith in your heart, you will always find strength, and sometimes you will see miracles. Ali kept the leaf from the tree of faith for his whole life. It was a reminder of his journey, his prayer, and the day he learned that trusting God can lead to beautiful things. And so, his story was told again and again, from parents to children, from one generation to the next. And as long as people remembered it, faith and hope continued to grow in their hearts, because when you truly believe,